Hi, I'm Vincent Gardino, and this is my brother Robert.
We're both history buffs, and we've written our very first book about which we are very excited about. In fact, the foreword, we're proud to say, was written by the preeminent Civil War historian and Pulitzer Prize winner, James McPherson.
It's entitled Grave Trippers, History at Our Feet.
Vincent, please be a little more specific and tell the people what our book is all about.
Well, for the past 20 years, our hobby has been to visit the grave sites of notable and historic figures. In our travels in the cemeteries on the East Coast, we visited our famous graves. Each person profiled has a mini biography as well as some fun facts which most people are not aware of.
In our book, we cover 70 individuals, men and women from varied professions such as presidents, entertainers, military and sports figures. In the book, we provide photographs of the graves as well as detailed directions to the graves from within the cemetery. We try to make the reading of history fun.
Well, our book is available for order now on Amazon.com, BNN.com, Barnes & Noble, and your local bookseller.
And please visit our website at gravetrippers.com and check out some of our videos, as well as visit us on our Facebook page. You'll find on our website links to Amazon and Barnes & Noble for the purchase of the book.
Well, you know, after you read the book, you might want to become a grave tripper too. If you've liked this video, could you please share it with someone and tell them about our website? Thank you.